Just another quick video, guys, of the Old English Farmhouse Restoration Project. Here we have the hallway in the house, and there seems to be a window in the hallway. But what I was going to show you is in this old lounge, this lovely marble fireplace here. And what we have done, we've took the hearth out, modern hearth and modern back panel, and we will restore this marble fireplace, put a nice hearth in, nice back in it. What we've spotted is probably the old original green ceramic tiles. All this wallpaper will have to come off all the walls and ceilings. See what the condition the plaster's in. And here we have the old picture rail, the old original picture rail here. That will stay on, all the old original features are staying. Nice old door there, probably be dipped. Back to the nice pine it is. And that's it for now, guys.